Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. In this video, I am out on a farm in North Dakota west of the Missouri River and just a little bit north of the South Dakota border. This farm is out here round baling hay today. I filmed this in early July of 2023. They're running two different balers out here. First up is their Vermeer ZR5 1200 self-propelled round baler. And then in a little bit, we're going to see them baling hay with their John Deere 8310 tractor, pulling another Vermeer, but this is a pull type 605N baler. Both these balers are making a 5 by 6 foot bale, 5 foot wide up to 6 foot tall. Now, if you're looking for Raleigh, North Dakota on the map, there's not a lot here. Raleigh is an unincorporated community that was founded in the early 1900s. According to the 2010 census, this town had a population of 12 people. I did find an article from this town on Ghosts of North Dakota that was printed in 2016, and it said then there was two businesses in the town. There was a grain elevator and a local tavern called the Dogtooth. Now, it's my understanding at that time in 2016, there was 9 people in this community, and the Dogtooth Tavern has since closed. But they did have some pictures of the small town. It does look like at one time there was a bank, there was a lumber yard, stuff like that. Also, I was out here towards the evening on a Saturday. In this field right here, the mosquitoes about carried me out of here. The Vermeer equipment you see in this video was sold out of West River Equipment out of Mandan, North Dakota, who is a Deutz Fahr dealer I was at while I was out here. He sold quite a few of these ZR5 round balers. I filmed another one right before this, north of here, about 80 miles. That video has already been uploaded to my YouTube channel. If you've not seen that, I'll put the link to it at the end of this one. The company Vermeer is based out of Pella, Iowa. A couple quick specs on the ZR5 round baler. These are powered with a 200 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine. These machines have a 2-speed hydro. They have a max baling speed of 12 mile an hour and a road speed of 30 mile per hour. This machine weighs in around 19,500 pounds. These things can really eat up the hay. Now, he was driving a little slower in this field because this was a pretty rough field. Anyways, I got lots of good drone footage of both machines running. I got some on the ground footage. I also got to ride in the cab of this, so we'll show you some in-cab views here coming up real soon. They were all done raking hay when I got here, but hey, let's include this in the video. So here's a look at their New Holland tractor and their Vermeer rake. I'm now inside the cab of the ZR5. So there's two cameras on this baler. While the operator is baling in the field, one of the cameras is pointing down on the pickup so the operator can see what's going on with the pickup of the baler. And then once a full bale is reached and the bale goes to wrap, the camera will automatically flip over where the operator can see the tailgate as he ejects the bale, closes the tailgate and takes back off, and then it'll go right back to the pickup. And just about a half a mile away, they were baling in another field with their 8310 John Deere tractor and Vermeer 605 baler. So we'll watch him bale for a while, and then we'll come back to the ZR5. That's going to do it for this video. Feel free to go down there, hit that like button, and leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you go down there and hit that subscribe button. Also, check back often. There's always lots of new and exciting farming content coming to my YouTube channel. I still have a lot of footage from last season, from planting all the way through fall harvest. So I'll be putting out videos the rest of this winter before spring planting rolls around. Anyways, if you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can also follow me along on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.